Hi everyone, welcome to Westart Creations. Today, on day 3 of our 30 days easy drawing YouTube video lessons, we are going to draw a cute cloud together. Start making half circles from the top and make 2 half circles near to the left and the right. Join the bottom with a line and then make 2 eyes. After that, make 2 small circles for the eyes. Inside the small circles of the eyes, make very tiny 2 small circles. Fill the eyes with a black color. Make 2 eyebrows and a small mouth. Now make water droplets. I hope you are with me. If you have stuck somewhere, pause the video. If you want the video to be faster, put the speed to 1.5x. Now we will start coloring. You can take any colors of your choice. It can be crayons, sketch pens, watercolors, or whatever medium of colors you like. Here I am filling sky blue in the cloud. Filling the same colors in the droplets. Be creative with the colors, whatever you want to use. In the end, add a little bit of pink color on the cheeks. And it's done. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Bye bye.